Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate text with Claude 2026. Need to translate text fast and accurately? Claude can do this in just a few simple seconds. Whether you're translating messages, documents, or study material, Claude is a powerful translation tool and in 2026. It supports multiple languages, keep the meaning natural, and even lets you control tone and formality. So let's see how to translate text properly on Claude. Let's start by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to open Claude. We're just going to open your web browser, and then you're going to type in Claude in the search bar, and after that you're going to click on the Claude.ai website. Once you're in the website, you're going to make sure you're signed into your account, or it's optional, and you're going to start a new conversation or a new chat by clicking on the plus button right here. Then you're going to pass the text you want to translate. For example, I'm just going to write translate or cars are fast, like this. I'm going to put it like this. I'm going to separate the phrase. And I'm going to write in the prompt, either translate this to English, translate this to French, or translate it to Arabic or a simple language. For example, translate this to French. And then I'm going to click hit, just like this. And as you can see, this is the translation for this phrase that I gave it. Like this. You're going to review the translation, and you're going to ask Claude to adjust the tone if needed. And don't pass very long text at once. Don't forget to specify the target language, and also ask for formal or casual tone, and also ask Claude to explain difficult words. And that's it. That's how you translate text with Claude in 2026. It's fast and natural. And if you found this video interesting, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions upon this topic. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.